Okay, sorry I had to shoot on the phone, but I needed to show for Android. Okay, so the Terrarium TV, I'll show you through real quick, and then I'll show you once you do the update how to get it. This is pretty much it. It's really, really nice. Basically, when you click on it, this is what you get. You could click over to the three lines, scroll down to movies. Also, you have a favorites that you could add them as a favorite. As you can see, all the ones with the yellow line on top, those are like all my favorites. What you do is just hold the center button on the remote down until that pops up, and then you hit add favorite. Okay, then you could also switch over to movies. Okay, you got most popular, then you can hit this, you get in theaters new releases, you can pick a whole thing, and they play really good. Now I'll click on it real quick. Okay, so now when this comes up, if you hold, just click down twice. Okay, now you could add the movie right there to your favorites with the little star in the corner. You don't have to scroll over to the play button. What you could do is just hold the center button down for like 2-3 seconds. Okay, you will get an ad here and there. Okay, and you pretty much, the links are awesome. I mean, I really have no buffering problems at all with it. So just give it a sec to load and then just click the one you want. Okay. I'm not going to play the movie because YouTube gets a little annoyed with that. Alright, and it's pretty simple. Okay, so now, if you have a recent stick, this already comes with it. The last couple of weeks they've been added on. If you don't, when you do an update, you're going to go over to favorites. Click on favorites. Okay, then you're going to go over to the middle one that says Terrarium version 1.8.0. Sorry, it's not focusing in too good, but it's the middle one right there. You're going to click on that one. Okay, that's going to ask you, would you like to download and install? You just click yes. I mean, I have it already, but it'll just rewrite over it. Okay, then you go to install, let it do its thing. Okay, then you can either go to open if you want to open up, or you can just go to done. So I would just click done. Okay, then once it's downloaded, then you could go over to Terrarium TV and just click on it. Ignore that, it's just something on my box. Okay, and you just click on it, you're ready to go. Okay, now set TV is another thing. This I'm gonna be added on all the new boxes. Lower the volume. I'm gonna be added on all the new boxes, but if you are interested in this, it's a small fee, but I have because I have to manually install it onto there, and then you could just sign up and get it. It's $20 a month for 3 TVs. You get 3 codes, so you can have it on 3 separate TVs. The more months you buy, you know, the more you save. If you buy a year, I think you save 2. You get 2 months for free. But if you go online or on YouTube, just check for the Set TV. They have codes. You know, a little people go a little more in depth with it. They also have a 3-day code, so you can try it. Okay, so if in settings you go to EPG, you got a full TV guide. Okay, now with this you get all the sports packages, the pay-per-view events with no buffering, because a couple people I set it up for, and even with decent Wi-Fi, not even great, just decent, the UFC fights and everything went no problem. You get all the let's see what they are. You get all MTVs, you get the Hallmark, you pretty much get everything in here. You get all the HBOs, all the Cinemax's, Showtimes. It's pretty much like cable. Okay, so then the catch-up don't work on this because it's on the box. They do have a separate box. Well, it costs like $100 or something, where you could use like the DVR, but this is basically just for live TV. Okay, see? HD, no problems. Switch the channel.
This is sorry we shot you. Can we come in?
I walk a line.
You know, and
to remove artificial.
like 90% of the channels are in HD. And once in a while you will get if the channel goes out, but they will fix it. It's pretty good. Okay, if you press the center button in, you could choose from all English channels, sports channels, Spanish, USA, UK, Filipino, and adult. In the sports, you got all the NBAs, the WWE Network, NHL. You see the pay-per-views. There's 2 pay-per-view channels. Okay, you keep scrolling. You got 15 baseball channels. You got 10 hockey channels. You know, it's crazy how much stuff is on this. But as you can see, and it's just this whole time no buffering or nothing. And once I do download through, it will be integrated into your kodi instead of on other ones that you find on YouTube. It's all separate outside. I integrated both of them into the kodi, so you get the full experience without having to go out of kodi to click into something else. Okay, like I said, if the set TV you're interested in, let me know. It's a small fee. I'll install it on there, and pretty much you could just go sign up. You get a code. When you click on it, it says I have code. Click on I have code, enter your code, and you're good to go. You can do it 3 days, or well, like I said, for a month, and you can put it on 3 separate. You get on 3 separate boxes or 3 separate Fire Sticks for the one fee of $20. It doesn't have to be in the same house. I have one, my brother has one, and my parents have one, and they're all in separate houses. So it's pretty much $7 a TV to have like over 600 channels. Alright, so that's it for this video. And the terrarium TV, you're pretty much just good to go. Just do an update, and like I said, just download it and then click on it, and that one's good to go.